Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. You may remember few days before I said the markets will hit all-time high when nobody is expecting. When everybody expecting, it will not hit all-time high. And today that is what exactly has happened. And today, because of this China issue, entire global markets were negative. SGX Nifty was indicating about 100 point gap down. And Nifty actually opened like that only. But everybody thought today market will be falling, and to everybody's surprise, within 10-15 minutes, the market started recovering and the Nifty came into green in the morning. And I also told you today morning, mid cap and small caps are likely to do well, and IT index is likely to do well. So end of the day, mid cap and small cap have done very well compared to Nifty, but IT index was higher in the morning, but for one or the other reason TCS was down. But then later TCS also recovered, the IT index was higher, but towards the end of the day some kind of a profit booking came and Nifty fell about 50-60 points, and that time the IT index has come down, so IT index has closed slightly negative. But however, yesterday in social media I shared about OFSS, Oracle Financial Software Services. So because you all know that I always prefer high dividend yield stocks, and OFSS is a stock with more than 6% dividend yield. So I said I was looking to buy, but I forgot to buy actually. But that stock is up nearly about 1.65%. So even Asian markets were also started recovering in the late afternoon. Means when I say late afternoon, as per their time zone, not our time zone. The problem is with China. Hong Kong market fell nearly 4% in the morning, but on a closing basis, it was down just only about 1.5%. So there was a 2.5% recovery. So that seems to be a very great recovery in Hong Kong markets. But however, European markets are still trading in red, and US futures are also still trading in red only. But today Nasdaq seems to be slightly outperforming, and Dow seems to be slightly underperforming. So anyway, let the market open, we will see. FIIs have bought for 936 crores today. That is not a surprise. Usually they buy at the high point of the trading range, and they always sell at the lower end of the range. So when the Nifty was below 16,000, they were seller. Now it's above 18,000, they are buyers. But surprisingly, the domestic institutions were also net buyers for about 88 crores. So everything looks bullish only right now, but today, still it is only a consolidation. But today, I expected IT index and mid cap and small cap to outperform, but IT did not outperform, but surprisingly, Reliance has outperformed. And the Reliance was up more than 3%, and that was really surprising. That's because, crude oil is actually falling in the international markets. When the crude falls, and usually it's not good for Reliance. Falling crude oil is good for oil marketing companies, but not the Reliance Industries. But despite falling crude, Reliance Industries has done extremely well, more than 3% up. And in fact, if not for Reliance, today Nifty would have ended in red. So Nifty is up by 50 point. I think more than 50 point contribution came only from Reliance. However, since morning, the two stocks which were under pressure, it was HDFC and HDFC Bank. And no surprise, they are the most contributor on the downside for Nifty. So looking at open interest, and Nifty is trading around 18,550, but 18,500 put option added huge open interest in the weekly options. So that shows the markets are, I would say, super bullish. But in monthly options, 18,000 put has the highest open interest among put options. 19,000 call has the highest open interest among call options. And people are taking 18,600 short straddle for monthly positions. The premium is about 520 points. So that means their upper break-even will be 19,100, lower break-even will be 18,100. But however, you always remember there is one big risk which is on 8th of December, Gujarat state election results. So one more stock today, it was, I forgot to mention in the morning, it was Hero MotoCorp. So Hero MotoCorp seems to have increased the prices of its products. So that has helped Hero MotoCorp to do extremely well today. But overall, I told you last Friday, technically Maruti has become long, and today technically Bajaj Auto has also become long. At the same time, metal stocks fell, and particularly JSW has become short technically. So therefore what I did, I sold some put options in Bajaj Finance and I sold some call options in JSW Steel. So hoping that this trend continues, we'll be making some profits. So in the weekly options, although people have sold 18,500 put option aggressively, I dare not to sell. I sold some 18,300 put option on the downside, and the call side 18,900 call option I sold. But I won't be making big money, it will be very small money only. Because just like usually Mondays I don't take aggressive positions. Maybe tomorrow afternoon maybe I may take some more positions. Because if you take position on Tuesday, then Wednesday is the only one day, Thursday expiry. So things is somewhat manageable. And also this uncertainty about this China also preventing me to take some aggressive positions. So let us see with Bajaj Auto bullish and JSW Steel bearish, and mid caps and small caps doing well, Reliance doing well, and banking stocks and IT stocks are not doing really very well. So this is the setup right now. So let us see what happens tomorrow. We will see you tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.